Welcome to this 8-minute guided visualization and meditation for abundance to help you visualize and design your life deliberately. So start off by shaking your arms and your hands just a little. Make sure you are seated on a comfortable chair or yoga mat or a cushion. Make sure that your back is fully supported and you're not slouching. Put your palms on your thighs and let's get started. So I'd like you to close your eyes and I want you to start by taking one deep breath in. Hold for 5 seconds. Breathe out. And each time you are letting the breath out, allow your body to sink deeper and relax just a little bit further. Allow any tension you have to release through your body. Another deep breath in. Hold for 5. Breathe out. One more time. Make this your biggest deep breath. Hold for 5. There we go. And breathe out. Relax just a little bit more. Now, I want you to allow yourself to go to your, what I call your big C-type goal. It could be an income goal. Are you in your new house? Are you in a holiday home? Are you on holiday? What does it look like in this house? Who's around you? Is it a big open space? Does it have large windows looking out to the ocean? Can you hear the breeze and the waves? Think about all the smiles on everybody's face around you and how you're celebrating this house maybe. It could be a new holiday home, a cottage, a mansion. Picture yourself able to give gifts to all of those people you have thought about, your family, your friends, your parents, and how they react. Think about how it feels when you check your bank account and you see that monthly income show up on your statement. Wow! How does it feel to know that you did it? That you achieved what you set out to achieve? Keep picturing with your goal met. Keep picturing and seeing yourself with your goal met. Now, I want you to take yourself where you find a mirror hanging on a wall. I want you to take yourself over to that mirror. Look at yourself and how you're carrying yourself now that you have your goals met. You're standing taller, straighter. You're full of greater confidence than you ever had. How relaxed you are, how happy you are. And now I want you to say to yourself in the mirror how proud you are of deciding that you are no longer going to play small, and that you are going to go after your big C-type goal, whatever that is for you. How proud you feel telling yourself this, telling your partner this, your best friend, your children, your parents, your siblings, that you reached your goal. How does it feel? Really pull in on that emotion of pride, of joyfulness, of ease, of flow, of knowing that you did it. You did this. You did what you set out to do. You are living an amazing life. You are made to live this life. This is meant for you. Get into the feeling. Ask yourself, what would cause you to be motivated to do this, to achieve this, to live this? Use your 5 senses. What are you seeing? What are you tasting? What are you touching? What are you smelling all around you as you see your goal accomplished? What are you hearing? How does it feel? That is the most important thing. Stay there for a minute. Get into the feeling of it. How does it feel that you have now achieved this goal? You are living it. You are breathing it. You are super, super successful. You did it. You did it. Feel it. Feel it in every cell of your body. Feels good, doesn't it? Now, at the count of 10, you will open your eyes and you will come back and tell me, how did it feel with you seeing yourself with your goal met? 1, 2, 3, 4. You're ready to be back from your meditation. 5, 6, 7. You're opening your eyes. 8, 9, 10, and open.